Hello viewers, today we are going to make Ragda patties. It is a very popular dish in the North India and also eaten in many parts of the Western India. Here we have started with a tadka. So basically adding oil. We prefer, as I mentioned, peanut oil, avocado oil or olive oil that can be mm, uh, used for shallow or low frying. Uh, uh, Cumin and mustard seeds have been added to the oil already, and we are waiting for it to start making that sound. That's why we call it tadka. The main ingredients are the sprouted green peas. Uh, Look at this, really long sprouts. So the when we do the sprouting, they really get activated and they become very easy to digest. The other ingredients are onion, garlic, ginger, tomato, and coriander. The ginger and garlic will always help when you are eating something very heavy to digest, which contains very high protein. So they will help digesting the protein which is present in the peas. Hing was added to the oil, and now we will be adding turmeric. Turmeric is a very important ingredient. It contains curcumin and will bring down your inflammation levels, and very is very good in digestion and other helps in other purposes. Now the ginger and garlic is being added to the mix, and so is garlic, and so is the onion. So keep doing that till the onion becomes soft and a little bit more brownish. Add salt to the taste. We use Himalayan salt, which contains not just sodium chloride but other minerals that are present. Is it? It will. You don't need to add other supplements like the iodine supplement which is present in the salt. It contains all of that. And this is dhania jeera powder, which is also coriander cumin powder, and little bit of red chili to taste. Again, this is Kashmiri chili, which is not as spicy. And this is garam masala. This is homemade garam masala, which contains almost 25 to 30 herbs. I will be discussing that in another video about how to prepare garam masala at home. For now, the tadka is getting ready and tomato paste is added. So as I mentioned, it contains two parts. One is the ragda and one is the patties. This is the ragda part, which contains the green peas masala. So now the sprouted green peas, they were sprouted. They have been sprouting for last 3 days. It is a winter time here, so it takes a little bit more time to sprout. What we generally do that is we soak them in water for almost 8 to 10 hours, and then we sieve it and keep in the sieve for 2 days with something covered on the top, or you can also put them under in a cloth and put them in a dark place so that they think that they are actually being sowed in the soil. Add water so that it becomes a gravy. Ragda means actually gravy of green peas, and that's why this needs to contain water. The patties that is going to be prepared will be added as dumplings into the ragda and eaten. Now let the we'll cover the lid of the cooker, and 4 to 5 whistles of the cooker. This is a standard Indian cooker, and we will it when the pressure builds up, it will whistle, and we will wait for 4 to 5 whistles here. So now, while the green peas are getting cooked, we have started the process for making the patties. The main ingredients is potato. There is also sweet potato in there. There is ginger. Again, potato is gaseous, and that's why we add ginger always when we eat potato. Salt and spice to your taste. Also, some caraway seeds, ajwain seeds. This will make the digestion very easy, and it will also taste better. On this side, we are preparing another type of patties, which is going to be made out of almond flour and a little bit of potatoes to make it sticky. You can make patties out of multiple things. You can make it out of carrot. You can make it out of beet. You can use plantains, the green plantains. There are multiple variations you can do for taste. We have tried almost all of them. This is a recent new addition of adding almond flour. So now make a dough out of it. Make it blend nicely, and then you are going to make small cookie shaped form patties out of it. So this patties will give you the carbohydrates, and the ragda that is getting prepared, that will give you the protein and the other minerals. This is very healthy, especially when the peas are sprouted, and generally we consume this during winter time because it helps in building your fats and proteins. Do a light saute with oil. You can either saute this, you can bake this, broil this, but we prefer the light sauteing because it gives that hint of oil and the flavor, and also gives the crunchiness. So you can assume like 2 patties out of a standard sized potato. And if you take a little bit bigger, maybe 3 to 4. So you can take the potatoes were boiled before and peeled. The skin was peeled off. We get the potatoes from our farmers market. I prefer doing that. We also grow potatoes in our backyard, but they are not enough. So we end up buying more from the farmers market. And currently it is not the season of potatoes here. The sweet potato is giving the orangish color to the patty. You can top it off the top of the patty with a cashew or a pistachio to make it look nicer. While this is going on, the preparation of the patty with the almond flour. So you take a little bit of potato to make it stick and add almond flour to it. Almond flour is a very low carb diet. and generally recommended for keto and many other things. We'll be also talking about the almond flour roti in our upcoming session, where we'll be making rotis out of almond flour. So now we have turned over the patty, and as you can see, it has become a little bit darkish red brown. So that one side is ready, the other side is now getting heated up. And in the meantime, the ragda is ready. There were 4 to 5 whistles, which means that the green peas have cooked and ready to be served once the pressure of the cooker releases. The potato sweet potato patty is ready, and both the sides become reddish brown. You can remove them, and the other patty, which has almond flour mixed, are getting ready now. The almond flour patty are also ready, and now we are waiting for the ragda to be ready. Almost there. So the ragda is ready and the patty also is ready. So we are putting the patty on the plate and covering up with ragda, and your ragda patty is ready. Now you can top it off with tamarind, with tamarind chutney, onions, tomatoes, uh, lemon juice, yogurt, mixture, and on the side we have a salad ready. It is lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, onion, and avocados, and spinach. Top it off with tamarind chutney and yogurt. Thank you for watching. Now the dish is ready. Thank you for watching. Bye.